Hello, this is Frank with Impact 101. In this training video, it's going to be about building a custom mobile landing page. Okay, you log into your dashboard and you go to My Info, and there you will see your profile. Make sure your phone number and address is correct and email address is correct. Then you would go down to mobile landing page. In the mobile landing page, folks, as you can see, your custom page is not showing up here. This is your replicate mobile landing page for Impact 101. As you can see here, there is not anything in the middle. There's a QR code and there's links to share. I'm going to share with you how that will change to another link that's going to be down here that's going to be able to share your Impact 101 or your custom mobile landing page for an affiliate marketing, for a brick and mortar, online business, whatever you like. You get two mobile landing pages with our system for your fees. One will be your Replicate Impact 101, and the other will be your custom. So let's get started. First of all, right now it's always going to be defaulted to Impact 101. I'm going to change that to custom, hit the refresh, save, and sometimes you may have to just refresh the whole page and get it to start all over again. As you can see, there's something here right now that is all okay, but I'm going to now go step by step. So if you click on the phone number, you want to make sure your phone number is correct, which it is. But here I'm going to do something a little different, and I'm going to change this to, let's say, I'm going to change it to a square button, and I'm going to change the color to a blue if you like. And I'm going to change this and leave it to a phone. So then I go and select the phone, okay? And that will be under the P. All right, and you can see there's lots to choose from sports to info. There's so much, but right now I'm looking for a phone, okay? And there's the phone. So there you go. That's how easy it is. So the next thing is your email, and I'm going to change this also, make sure the email is correct, and change this to the actual email button. Now I'm going to change this to square like so, and I'm going to change that to blue, and also this here is now going to go to mail under the M, and I'm going to find the actual mail icon. And there it is. So that's now button number 3. I'm going to leave it for info, and I'm going to take this link out of here. And for today's demonstration, I'm going to do it for Kelowna Auto Mall Leasing. So I already have the site here, and basically maybe what I want to do is take a screenshot of the logo. They have a Facebook, so I want to make the second button a Facebook. So I click on Facebook, copy that link, folks, okay, and then go back to the mobile landing page, and I'm going to go here to the third button, and I want that to be a Facebook link. So I click on Facebook, and I'm going to do square, and like so, and here, in order to get social media, you have to go to various squares, click on that, and that's the only way and the only place that you'll find the social media. Okay, that's under various. Okay, so I'm going to look for Facebook under the F, and there's my Facebook. So I click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and click and add that Facebook link right there. Okay, so the next button, I want to choose it to be an info button for an example. So we're going to get rid of that, and I'm going to go to square, and actually I'm going to make that blue as well, and I'm going to select home, and I'm just going to make that the home address, if you will, for the website. So let's go home. Okay, and there you go. And now what I'm going to do is take this and get their regular URL for their home page, and I'm going to click on that, copy it, And now I click that and place that link there, okay? Now what I wanna also do is I wanna take and go get their logo. So I'm gonna go and get a logo right now, and I'm gonna go to screenshots and see if I can find them. I'm gonna go to my desktop. I did a screenshot earlier, but you can get them, take the image from a logo or whatever you like. There's the screenshot for Kelowna Auto Leasing, Kelowna Auto Mall Leasing. I click that on here and I upload the image. I'm going to say yes, and I'm also going to take their link from their home screen and place that there as well, so that if somebody clicks on the logo, they'll end up being able to get to their website. Okay, now if I want to create another image, and let's say I want to get a vehicle, so I'm going to go back to Kelowna Auto Mall Leasing, and let's say I wanted to use this image here. I'm just going to get, just for an example, and I'm going to take a, let's say, that's not going to work, but let's say that like that. That's still not going to work. Okay. Now, I've just collected, these are sliders, so it just keeps changing on me, so it's not the best one, but just for an example, I'm now going to go into my mobile landing page, and I'm going to select the image, and I'm going to go to screenshot, and I'm just going to grab the last one, okay? However it works out. Hit open, that'll show up on the bottom, upload image, and say yes that you want it to show up, and also, I'm going to take so whether they click on my logo or the image, it'll click and go to their regular page. Okay? So basically, always hit update settings so all the work that you've done, you don't lose. I do it several different times, okay? I got a few more buttons. So for right now, let's come up with a info. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to make this square. And I'm going to take blue, for example, and I'm going to go get an info. And what you try to do is build your pages that represents your website. And so they're kind of like a mirror, all right? So right now, I'm just going to go to info and find that icon. All right, there it is. I like this one here. It's a little bit more fancy. And I'm going to go to Kelowna Auto Leasing, and I'm going to just grab, let's say, their contact us page, if you will, and I'm just going to copy that. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to the mobile landing page and paste that there if you like. And what I do is have two more buttons, and let's say one I'm going to leave it as a cart. So if they had a cart, I would paste the cart icon there, put the link in there. I'm going to change this to blue here so that everything is uniformal. And I'm going to go pick this to square, make this blue, and I'm going to change this icon to a car, let's say, and then I'm going to do the cart last. I think that would be a good thing to do. And let's see if there's a car, because this is Kelowna Auto Mall Leasing, and I would put one of their links if they have multiple links of other information. This website doesn't have too many links, but I would put that in there. Okay, and here, let's say they had a cart. I would put, if they had a shopping cart link, I would put the shopping cart link there. I would select square and blue and get a cart for shopping cart, and for online sales if they had any. This is, like I said, this is for demonstration purposes only. I'm just trying to give you some ideas here. So I would put links in there and hit the update so you got. Now, if you want to see how your work is coming along, I would click refresh. I would hit save. And you could see all my buttons are showing up there, okay? Now, if I had a YouTube video, I want to show you how to, so what I'm going to do is going to go to, let's say, let's go to Kelowna. All right. right, let's go to Automall Leasing here. We're just going to go like that for an example. Copy. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to do a search. Okay. And there comes Kelowna Automall Leasing. I'm just going to go back to Google. I should have never done that. I should have done, there you go. I'm going to go back to Google. Okay. I'm just going to go cars. That's what I should have done in the first place. So let's say I want to get an image and I kind of like that image, but you know, I'm just doing this for, I'm going to do a screenshot of this just to give you some variations and different things that you can do. I go like so, and I'm going to go to videos and see if there's a video in a car. All right, here's a video. So let's see here. So in order to play this video, what you need to do is after the equal sign, there's 11 characters. Copy those 11 characters, and I just don't like this video, so I'm just going to move on and see if I could find another car video. You are about to become. So I'm just going to grab this, take the 11 characters here, hit the copy sign here, go to my mobile landing page. In order to place a video, you need to go down here and put in the 11 characters. Okay? Hit update so you don't want to lose anything. Okay? And that's it so far. And you want to hit refresh. And save. And there's my video in there. There's my mobile. There's the image. And let's say I want to change the image. Okay? So I go here and I hit edit. Okay? And you could actually take more of it, all of it, whatever you can. You could, it's kind of cool how you could just zero in and out. And I'm just going to do the front end, let's say. Okay? And now I could confirm. And now it just does the front end. So that looks a little bit better, or else I can get a screenshot. Hit update. Now, folks, here it's very simple. I'm just going to go cars, for sale. Oops. Okay. And here, this is where you select the fonts. So you can select whatever you like, something a little bit fancy. Always get about 20. And this is black, and I know that my background is going to be black, so I want this to be white. Okay, and then you could just write this few, these are the header lines for the top part, okay, and this is for, please click on the gear, Impact 101, we're going to take that out, and please click on the image, that's all I'm going to say. Please click on the image, and I want this to also be white so people could see it as a background. Okay, now the background color, I need it to, I'm going to go here. You can either go with images and patterns. There's so many things to select from, but I want a solid color and I want it to be black. So I'm just going to hit 0 because I know that's for black. Hit update settings. Okay, now what's very, very important here, folks, enable vCard. I always say yes. Showing share buttons, that's for all the social media, I'll say yes. Okay. Show the share button, I always say that, yes to that. And show the QR code, I say yes. And show the mobile, switch the button. This is for, that could change from going to your replicate Impact 101 site and also your custom. So if you have a custom page and you want both of them to work, this is extremely important. You want to say yes. And short links is to share in social media. You hit update settings. That's how easy it is, folks, to build a custom mobile landing page. Again, in order for you to be able to share either or, you want that to say yes. If you have digital currency, this is where you would put your fixed address, and you say yes to the fixed address for Dash and for Bitcoin, and they'll show up on the bottom. If you have a Trezor, you want to request the pub keys, stay tuned. We'll show that in another training video. Okay, I'm going to hit update settings now. Okay, and now I'm going to hit here and refresh, save, and you can see now I have my mobile landing page here, folks. That is how easy it is. Cars for sale, and that's how easy it is to build a mobile landing page. Let's go take a look and see what these pages look like. So if I go to my info and I go to, let's go to my links to share, click on this, and I want to go to Impact 101, M for mobile landing page, click on that. And here is my replicate mobile landing page for Impact 101. Now, if I wanted to switch it to my custom page, all I have to do is click on these two arrows on the bottom, and it goes to Kelowna Auto Mall Leasing. And again, vice versa, switch it back, and it goes to your Impact 101. This is the QR code for it. Okay, and you could write whatever you like around the QR codes and go into the QR code and actually do that. Maybe I will show you how to do that really quickly now. I don't want this video to drag on too much longer, but I think it's important that now I go into the QR code, and here I could actually go ahead and hit the edit. Okay, and I want this to be white. Okay, and I could change the radius, and then your QR code would change. Okay, and there you go. And then here around, instead of Impact 101, I could put cars for sale. Buy now. Save changes and update preview, and you see cars for sale, buy now. That gives you an idea how the QR code works. I hope this has been really helpful. Let's go back to the mobile landing page, and let's go ahead and do the preview. And let's go here, pages to share. And I want you to know that here is your Impact 101 BM for business mobile landing page. I click on that, that shows up. And the QR code now looks like so. When I click on it, if you scan it, those mobile landing pages come on. If I click on it, and I just want to point out again, this is where you would switch it from your Impact 101 replicate site or to your mobile landing page, your custom mobile landing page for your business. I hope this has been helpful, and please build your custom mobile landing pages. Look forward to seeing more of them out there, and please share Impact 101 to the world. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next training video. Bye for now.